Once submitted, you will see a toast message appear, indicating the form was submitted successfully. Select Continue to progress through the rest of the demo. Here, we will show what the green screen actually looks like, and also the data that was carried over to the forms in the previous transaction. It's also worth noting that in your project, you may choose to create custom keyboards, which could also be used to launch forms. You will also notice remaining transaction at the bottom of the tile.